Thank you, sir. So it is definitely kind of bare and industrial. It reminds me of Harbor Freight, the setup. I do have a lot of cool stuff, but I don't really need anything, so.
But this one's nice to have.
Oh yeah, the water. I just don't. The square ones. I had one at one time. I'm just not into them anymore. I kind of like my round one with the pump.
Yeah.
Right. Private shelter, bathroom. Ooh, portable toilet. Some more shelters. Oh, there's a shower tent. That one's kind of see-through. I've never seen someone have so much fun while showering. What?
If I put them inside my van while I'm not using them, do they smell or should they really be mounted outside?
It really should be mounted outside. Plus, I mean, you can't run it inside anyways, so might as well just put it outside.
No, but I would be running it all the time anyhow.
I mean, you could, like, if you mean you're going from place to place, yeah, you could store it inside while you're, like, traveling.
Sleeping? No.
But, no, I wouldn't do it while you're sleeping. Yeah, I mean, I would just put a hitch on your back and do it like that. They definitely do have a lot of water tanks. What size does that look like? A 50? It's only $67.
It is. I can't find it on the back.
It looks like about a 50 or a 30.
What's that say? No, can't read it. 8?
No, it's not 8.
No, it's a date.
So it's $67.99 and it is a 20-gallon. So this is all that I bought from the RV shop. I got 2 drink holders. Because as you can see, I have one, but one of the arms is broke on it, so I need to replace that one. I have a Vortex fan. That's what the fan in my bathroom looks like, and it no longer works. So I'm going to replace it with this one. It's a much better fan. It's awesome. Alright, next. And I got this shade cover. This is a vent cover, but it has a pull shade that goes across. I'm definitely gonna love this. This is awesome. It has a Reflectix material on the outside. I guess that's for cold or heat. And then on the inside, it's just like a regular shade material. And I just like how it draws. And also I can close it at nighttime for more darkness or even during the day. And it's just gonna give it a more cleaner look. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? And then the shade just draws like that, just slides right over. This is where that's gonna go. It's just outdated. This will definitely update it and make it look newer. And this is where the fan one's gonna go. See that old fan? And it doesn't even work. And where's the switch? Yeah, see? I think that fan is burnt out. They do sell small replacement fans for that, but this one is a much bigger fan and it's got a better draw on it. Yay, I'm so excited. You excited, Moo-moo? She's like, whatever. Yes. Scotty on the ground again. We came back over to Cabela's because they're just a little more lax and friendlier here than the casino was. They don't allow children in the parking lot of the casino, so they couldn't come out of the RV at all, which was unfortunate. So we just came back over here, and we're gonna stay here a day or two and then hit the road. Right, Moo-moo? Right, Moo-moo? Right, Moo-moo? Right, get it. Who's that? What is that crazy sound? Wow. Are you having a fit, Skipper? Huh? Well, hello to you too, sir. Hello? 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 He's trying to grab my camera. You want the camera? Here you go. No, can't reach it, can you? Skipper. So there's some of the tribe there in the park. It's got a nice dog park here, green grass, so it's fun. The kids can play in it and everything too. So I think we're gonna have a little picnic or whatever. There's picnic tables too. Hey y'all, everybody say hello. I'm gonna need y'all to walk a little faster, slowpokes. Bye, see you there. I have to drive the handicapped people.
Are you sure you don't want to ride?
We just can't walk.
These poor people, they don't know what's following them. She looked like, what is going on?
Yeah, I noticed that.
Crackhead barrel.
Cracker barrel.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Oh, that. I want to put that. Too much going on in here. Really?
What? There's too much light.
Too much going on, too much stimulation. I know, I don't know what to start. I know. Still haven't. So kids, I found movies.
Oh dear.
See, if I had a house, I would just like chicken and pasta. Look at this.
Oh, look, I found a camera. The mother has 5 years.
Look at these sandals, all the artwork.
Oh, yeah.
Her own business.
They're only $21.99.
My
That's
brother
cheap
got
for
property.
that.
My mother's passed away.
Where's Terry? She was looking for this.
Hey, Terry.
Terry! Doesn't Terry work?
Right there. She's right there.
Terry, where you? Oh, look at that. Peekaboo. You could hide gumballs in there.
No, it's just like this is how it has
Look, they even have black ones. Aja! Look, one for me, one for you. They hold everything. Oh my God.
I love how it is right now.
How much are they? I don't know. We all look, we all look like we haven't gone shopping in a really long time. Look at these. That is so cute. Yeah, that's cute. Those are your colors.
Like that would be perfect for videos because then I can like put my camera.
I know. I have never seen you carry a shoulder bag.
Yeah, I hate it. I freaking hate that.
And that's a sugar handle.
It's paparazzi.
Paparazzi.
Wait, how did you do it?
I did. That's great quality.
Oh, that was like it.
But yeah, transfer,
I got it. Don't worry.
laptop, and then you have to make it worse.
Oh my gosh! I could put the
How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that, huh? You like it on your face, huh?
I can put the kids' stuff in here.
Now there's so much.
I can put like the kids' pins and things in here. Oh, that's more for a storage tool. Yes, storage tool. It holds everything. You put the pins in the inside. $30. I have some. I have some in my storage.
I was like, how do you feel about that?
I would never let you have. I would not let you have. Did she take that away from you? No.
Okay, can you take this away from me?
Perfect storage. Oh, there's Catherine with more hats on.
So fancy.
Fancy.
Go for a hug.
Gosh, that's cute too. Yeah. Oh, there's just too much going on in this store. I'm a bag lady. Oh, that's Mel from
Secret Life of Pets, yeah.
I have one.
I'm gonna need you to stop playing with everything and I'm putting it back on job.
Got you your count.
So we had to get 3 tables because. So we had to get 3 tables because we had 16 people in our group. There's one table. Here's a table, and the twins are at their own table.
Oh, there's another table.
Oh yeah, I forgot about, we have 4 tables. Actually, because the guys are at the last table over there. 4 tables. Country fried steak, macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes and gravy, and also Brussels sprout and kale salad. Yummy. All right, everybody. Well, I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully, we get to see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Mwah. Love everyone out there. Bye-bye for now.
Onward Bound!
Banjo said it too.